Get your career kick started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. Dealing with difficult staff members can be a challenging task, but with the right approach and effective communication, you can navigate the situation more smoothly. In this video we give you the best tips to deal with difficult staff members. We would love you to subscribe to the channel so that we can work together to maximize your potential and boost your earnings. Thank you. Now, let's get started. Identify the underlying cause. Start by finding a quiet place to discuss your concerns. Lead the conversation by trying to understand the root cause of their behavior. Is it related to work-related stress, personal issues, or a clash of personalities? Identifying the cause will help you address the issue more effectively. There is always a reason that's driving their behavior. Maintain professionalism. It's important to remain calm and professional when dealing with difficult staff members. Keep your emotions in check and avoid getting drawn into confrontations or arguments. You need to remain objective and they need to feel that you are being fair and actively listening. Communicate openly. Ensure the meeting area feels like a space to talk. They need to feel free to speak and to discuss the issues openly. Allow them to express their concerns and actively listen to what they have to say and repeat key points back to acknowledge them. Be clear about your expectations and provide constructive feedback on their behavior or performance. Reference organizational policy if it relates to the situation. Provide feedback and support. Offer specific examples of their behavior or actions that are causing difficulties. Reference how they do not align with organizational policy or conduct expectations. Provide feedback on how their actions impact the team or the organization. Offer guidance and support to help them improve and address the issues at hand. Be firm and clear when discussing expectations. Set clear expectations. Clearly communicate your expectations regarding behavior, performance, and the overall work environment. Ensure that everyone understands the standards and consequences for not meeting them. This provides a clear framework for addressing any ongoing issues. Explore solutions together. Collaborate with the staff member to find solutions to the challenges they are facing. Discuss potential strategies or changes that can help improve their performance or behavior. Encourage him to take ownership of the situation and be proactive in finding solutions. Offer training and development opportunities. If the difficult behavior is a result of a skill or knowledge gap, provide training or development opportunities to help them improve. This shows your commitment to the growth and can be an effective way to address the issue. Document offers of support and suggest they be included in their appraisal to confirm commitment. Document incidents. Going forward, keep a record of any incidents, discussions, or actions related to the difficult staff member. This documentation can be helpful if you need to escalate the issue or involve human resources. Think of it a bit like a court case. You may need concrete and detailed evidence if things get more serious. Some incidents can escalate all the way up to dismissal. Plan ahead just in case. Seek support if necessary. If the situation persists or escalates despite your efforts, seek guidance from your senior manager or the Human Resources Department. They can provide additional insights and support in handling the situation effectively. Be sure to be familiar with your organization's policies and procedures and ensure that the staff member is also clear on their role and responsibilities relating to policy. Be sure to evidence that they understand the policy. Document this in a letter or email to them. Lead by example. Demonstrate the behavior and attitudes you expect from your staff members. Your own professionalism and positive approach can influence the team's dynamics and potentially mitigate difficult situations. Plan for the worst but hope for the best. The goal is always to de-escalate, be supportive and resolve amicably. For more interview tips or information on job roles, please see our other videos. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.